In this video, I will show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from your phone. To get started, open the Google Photos app. Once it's launched, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Google Photos Settings. On the Settings page, locate and tap on Backup. Here, you'll find an option to manage your backup preferences. To prevent any future backups from occurring while deleting photos, toggle off the switch next to Backup. This action ensures that no new photos will be uploaded or backed up until this setting is enabled again. Now it's time to delete an already backed up image from Google Photos. To do this, simply tap and hold the image you wish to remove. After selecting it, tap on Delete. However, as soon as this action is initiated, a pop-up appears asking for permission to delete this image not only from Google Photos but also from iCloud Photos across all devices linked to your account. To avoid this issue and ensure that the photo remains on your device while being deleted from Google Photos, exit out of the app completely. Now open any web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other preferred option. In the URL bar, type in photos.google.com and hit Go. If prompted, sign into your Google account using your credentials. This step is essential as it allows access to all photos associated with that account. Once logged in, find the images you wish to delete. To select multiple images efficiently, tap on the three little dots, located at the top right corner of the interface. From there, choose Select Photos. You can now tap on each photo you want to delete. After selecting all desired images for deletion, look towards the top right corner again, where you'll find a trash can icon. Tap on this icon to initiate deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear stating that these photos and videos will be removed from your Google account along with any devices with backup turned on and shared within Google Photos. Read through this message carefully before proceeding. Then tap Got it. Rest assured that since backup was previously turned off in your device and because deletion was performed via a web browser, the selected photos will not be removed from your phone's local storage. For users wanting to permanently delete these items after they have been deleted from their main library, navigate over to Bin within Google Photos, where deleted items reside temporarily before final removal. Here you can choose Permanent Deletion. Remember that once emptied from here, recovery becomes impossible. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.